Castor oil's journey began thousands of years ago. Ancient Egyptians prized it for its medicinal benefits. Did you know they even used it in their oil lamps? According to the Ebers Papyrus, one of the oldest known medical texts, castor oil was a key ingredient in their health regimens. Fascinating, right? We've all dealt with inflammation, right? Whether it's that throbbing pain from a twisted ankle or red, irritated skin, inflammation is a natural response of our bodies. But too much of it can be harmful. Now, what if I told you that there's a natural remedy that can help? Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Ricinoleic acid, an unsaturated omega-9 fatty acid, binds to receptors on the cells of your body's inflammatory system. This can help reduce inflammation and pain. A 2010 research study from Mediators of Inflammation highlighted that ricinoleic acid shows prominent anti-inflammatory effects. Isn't it incredible that nature provides such solutions? However, always remember that while castor oil can support your body's inflammation response, it's not a cure-all. If your inflammation is severe or persistent, consult your doctor. So, the next time you're looking for a natural remedy to support your body's response to inflammation, remember our friend castor oil. Not only is it a piece of our rich historical heritage, but it also carries a potent benefit for us in the present day. Now, let's delve into the role castor oil can play in bolstering your immune system. Ever wondered why our grandparents always recommended castor oil for almost every ailment? Well, part of the reason is its potential effect on our immune system. According to a study conducted by the American Journal of Gastroenterology in 1999, castor oil increases the count of T11 cells and the production of lymphocytes in the blood. This enhancement in your body's defender cells plays a significant role in strengthening your immune system. It's all because of the chemical compound, ricinoleic acid, that we talked about earlier. Remember? It stimulates the body to produce more lymphocytes, which are the body's disease-fighting cells. So, taking castor oil could potentially help your body to better resist pathogens and infections. Isn't it amazing how this single oil, a staple of our ancestors' medicine cabinets, could potentially fortify your body's defenses in such a profound way? But, as with all things, it's essential to use it in moderation and seek medical advice when necessary. Ever had that uncomfortable, bloated feeling after a meal? Or worse, had to deal with constipation? Well, your ancestors might have reached for a bottle of castor oil to alleviate such issues. Let's explore why. Castor oil has been used as a natural remedy for digestive issues for centuries. A study published in the European Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology in 2000 found that castor oil can help improve bowel movement due to its laxative properties. It's all down to that hero ingredient again, ricinoleic acid. Ricinoleic acid, when ingested, interacts with the intestinal walls to stimulate a muscular contraction known as peristalsis. This movement pushes food through your digestive tract, easing discomfort and promoting regular bowel movements. Interestingly, castor oil's digestive benefits aren't limited to alleviating constipation. It's also known to help with stomach aches and menstrual cramps. The science behind it? Castor oil's ricinoleic acid acts as an analgesic or pain reliever and an anti-inflammatory agent, which may alleviate these conditions. Isn't it fascinating how this natural oil can aid your digestive health in such an impactful way? However, remember to seek professional medical advice for persistent or severe digestive issues. Have you ever dreamed of having stronger, thicker, more luscious locks? Castor oil may be the secret weapon your hair care routine needs. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, as we've learned, and other nutrients such as vitamin E, proteins, and omega-6 and 9 fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining healthy hair. But how do these compounds help? Well, a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science in 2003 demonstrated that the fatty acids in castor oil can nourish the scalp, reduce split ends, and help maintain the hair's natural moisture. The result? Healthier, shinier, and possibly thicker hair. Moreover, the ricinoleic acid improves blood circulation to the scalp, according to a study from the Journal of Pharmacology and Experimental Therapeutics. This improved blood flow can stimulate your hair follicles, possibly promoting faster and fuller growth. Imagine that your dream of having healthier and fuller hair could be sitting in a bottle of castor oil. But as with all things, remember that results can vary, and consistency is key in any hair care regimen. Shifting gears from hair care, let's talk about another essential aspect of our daily routines, skincare. Have you ever thought about how castor oil might fit into your regimen? Castor oil's ricinoleic acid, the compound we've been talking about so much, isn't just great for your hair and health, it's also a powerhouse for your skin. According to a study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology in 2012, ricinoleic acid has the potential to soothe inflammation, reduce acne, and even moisturize the skin. Furthermore, castor oil's fatty acids can nourish your skin, keeping it hydrated and helping to maintain its natural moisture barrier. These fatty acids also have emollient properties, meaning they can help soften the skin. Additionally, the vitamin E in castor oil, a powerful antioxidant, could play a role in combating the signs of aging. A study in the Journal of Molecular Medicine in 2004 found that vitamin E could help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by fighting off free radicals that cause skin aging. So, the next time you look at your skincare products, think about the potential of adding a little castor oil. But remember, always patch test before trying any new product on your skin. We've already discussed how castor oil can promote hair growth, but did you know it's also a great asset for your overall hair care routine? Castor oil, thanks to its ricinoleic acid and other nutrients such as omega-6 and 9 fatty acids and vitamin E, can protect and nourish your hair. It acts as a natural conditioner, helping to reduce frizz, split ends, and breakage. According to the Journal of Cosmetic Science in 2015, these nutrients can help to improve hair shine, thickness, and overall health. Furthermore, castor oil's antimicrobial properties, highlighted in a study by the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2007, could potentially help with scalp conditions like dandruff by balancing the scalp's pH and reducing flakiness. Also, ever thought about the benefits of a good scalp massage? Well, massaging with castor oil can improve blood circulation to your hair follicles, promoting healthier hair, according to the Journal of Korean Society of Cosmetology. So, the next time you're brushing your hair, consider the benefits of adding a little castor oil to your routine. But remember, moderation is key, and everyone's hair responds differently. Besides the health benefits and uses in your skincare and hair care routines, castor oil can also be a handy player in various home remedies. For instance, due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties mentioned in a study by the Journal of Applied Microbiology in 2012, castor oil can be used as a topical treatment for minor cuts and wounds. It's believed to expedite the healing process and reduce the risk of infection. Castor oil can also be a natural remedy for sunburn relief. Remember the ricinoleic acid we've discussed? Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe sunburned skin, as supported by research from Mediators of Inflammation in 2010. Moreover, castor oil can be used as a natural remedy for arthritis relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling and inflammation, providing temporary relief from joint pain. Even a relaxing massage can benefit from a bit of castor oil. Its thick consistency provides excellent lubrication, and its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties can potentially aid in relieving muscle aches. Remember, though, these home remedies don't replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider for serious health concerns. We've journeyed through the various benefits and uses of castor oil, but as with all remedies, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Though it's a natural product, remember that everyone's body is unique and may react differently. So, always do a patch test for topical applications and start with small doses if you're ingesting it, observing how your body responds. In addition, though castor oil has been used traditionally for centuries, scientific studies like those from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2011 and the American Journal of Therapeutics in 2000 still emphasize caution. Pregnant women, for instance, should avoid castor oil due to its potential to induce labor. Moreover, keep in mind that while castor oil has impressive potential benefits, it's not a cure-all. It should be used as part of a balanced lifestyle and not as a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. So, as you go forth to explore the wonderful world of castor oil, remember to do so responsibly. After all, knowledge is power, but applying it wisely is the key to well-being. And there you have it, the incredible journey of castor oil from ancient remedy to modern marvel. Now that you're armed with all this knowledge, I encourage you to explore the potential of castor oil. Remember, your journey to wellness is uniquely yours. Happy exploring!